Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video it's going to be a quick review of, let's see. Alright guys, let's begin. This car has been parked for months actually, so the battery is completely dead. Let me try it out. Let's see if it'll turn on. Nope. Completely dead. So the fine folks at AUXITO sent me this jump starter. I've never even opened it. I haven't even used it. Let's just see how good it is. Let's open it up. Let's see what's included. It's a nice little packaging, nice little case. Right off the bat guys, you do have your connections. You do have a charger, your user manual, and the actual jump starter device. I just hope it has some juice right now. So, oh, there you go. Right there, that's where you connect these. Let's connect them. Jesus Christ. Oops, wrong way. There you go guys. Start on. Well, it has 69%. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully that's enough to jump start this car. Let's go for it. Well, my mistake was not disconnecting the battery when I left the car here. Let's just jump start it. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Turn it on, press start, and right there it's indicating that it's ready. It's ready to go. Let's try it. Well, there you go guys. AUXITO works really good. So just gonna let it charge, and hopefully it'll charge and it's not the alternator. But I want to say thanks to AUXITO. Nice. And this is gonna be it for this video guys. A real short video regarding the jump starter from AUXITO. Thank you, and like always, stay safe and God bless.